Now, how to boost Facebook posts automatically. If your Facebook posts are getting low reach, low likes, and almost zero comments, the problem is not your content. The problem is momentum. Today, I'll show you how to boost your Facebook posts automatically, step by step. First, go to Account Management. Here, you add and manage multiple Facebook accounts in one place. Each account should be attached to a separate proxy. One account, one IP. This keeps everything stable and reduces risk. Now, choose your main account. This is the account where you will publish the original post. Post your content normally. Product post, value content, affiliate link, whatever your strategy is. Once the post is live, we move to the boosting phase. Inside, go to the seeding interaction feature. Here's how it works. You select the supporting accounts. These are the accounts that will interact with your main post. Next, paste the link of the Facebook post you want to boost. Now choose the actions, like the post comment on the post share, the post react with different emotions before running. Comments. Go to Content Management and prepare multiple comment templates. Use spin syntax to randomize content. For example, great post. Very useful information. Thanks for sharing this. Each account will randomly choose a different comment, making everything look natural. Then set the break interval time. For example, 20 to 60 seconds between actions. This prevents spam behavior. Next, configure the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts run at the same time. If you have 50 accounts, you might run 5 to 10 threads simultaneously for safer scaling. Once everything is set up, click Start. If you want to scale your Facebook marketing the smart way, inbox me and start boosting your posts automatically today.